Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 Mercedes Metris, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you where your VIN numbers are. There's the main VIN number placard, and then you got the second VIN number, and there could be other portions or other locations where VIN is on your vehicle, but we've got the main two on this one. So first we would open up the door. With the door open, we have right here on the A-arm here, we have our VIN number with all the applicable information about the vehicle, the weight, and so forth. And then on manufacturer date, and also our VIN number right there. If you need, our paint code for your vehicle is right there also on this VIN number there. So that's where you find the VIN number that's located on the door itself. And then we have our second VIN right there at the bottom of the window there. And so those are the locations of our VIN numbers on our Mercedes Metris. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.